Hello students, good morning. Hello everybody. How are you all? Here is Pradip sir with another session of arithmetic progression from class 10 mathematics. In the previous sessions, we have learned about the general form and the general term of an AP, and we have solved a few problems also based on them. So today I am going to show you how to find the sum of n terms of an AP, and also we'll solve few problems based on the sum of, that is the formula to find the sum of in terms of an AP. So first of all, let me show you how the formula is derived, how we get the formula to find the sum of n terms of an AP. So you all know the general form of AP. The general form of an AP is written as a plus b, a plus d, a plus 2d, and the nth term will be a plus n minus 1d. So we have done this. Okay. Now, if we have to find the sum of all these terms up to n terms, then what we will write? Suppose S is the sum. So S equals to what you will get? A plus D plus a plus 2d plus, and then the second last term, that is a plus n minus 2d. This is the second last term, and then the last term a plus n minus 1d. So if we add all these terms, then we will get the sum of n terms of an AP. Now let me rewrite the AP in the reverse order. So in the reverse order, this the nth term will be the first term, that is a plus n minus 1d will be the first term. So S equals to a plus n minus 1d, this is the first term, plus this will be the second term, the second last term will be the second term from the reverse order. So it will be a plus n minus 2d, then it will be a plus n minus 3d, and so on. So here the second last term will be the second term. The second term in the original order will become the second last term in the reverse order. So this will be plus a plus d, and the first term here will become the last term in the reverse order. Okay. So actually I am finding the sum in two ways. First, in the general formation of an AP from first term to the last term, and then the last term to the first term written in the reverse order. So the last term becomes the first term, the second last term becomes the second term, and so on. So this is actually the second term here. Now this is the second last term, and similarly the first term is now the last term. So if both the APs are added, if both these equations are added, then S plus S will be 2S. Now this will be added to this one. So a plus n minus 1d. So it will become 2a plus n minus 1d. Similarly, the second term here and the second term here, when these two will be added, same thing you will get. We will get a plus a is 2a, and here n minus 2d plus d, so it will become n minus 2 plus 1, that is n minus 1d. Third term a plus 2d, and this third term a plus n minus 3d will also become 2a plus n minus 1d, and so on. The last term also will become 2a plus n minus 1d. So since there are n terms, therefore there is also n terms. There are n terms in the sum also. Here in this equation, the left hand side is 2s, and this 2a plus n minus 1d will occur n times, because there are n terms and we have added them. So this is also n times. Therefore we can write 2s equals to n multiplied with this one, 2a plus n minus 1d. Is it clear to you? Actually, I have taken n terms in the original order and then in the reverse order. So when they are added, the sum in the left hand side will become 2s, and all these terms will also be n terms. Okay? So n times 2a plus n minus d is occurring n times. That is why it is n into 2a plus n minus 1d. So what is s equals to now? So it will become, these 2 will go to the denominator, so it will become n by 2 2a plus n minus 1d. So this is the formula to find the sum of n terms of an AP. Okay? Understood? Now see, we can also break this into another form. Now check it. This s equals to n by 2. 2a can be broken into a plus a. So it is a plus n minus 1d. Now what is this? Only this portion. This is a plus n minus 1d. We know this is the general form of nth term of an AP. A plus n minus 1d. So we can say that this is an. Suppose the nth term is the last term. Then let us take L as the last term. So this a plus n minus 1d, which is the nth term and also the last term, so will be written like this. So if the last term is known, that is L is known, the first term is known, and number of terms is also known, then we can use this formula also to find the sum. Hope you have understood. So we have got two formulas. One is this one. We generally use this one. S equals to n upon 2 multiplied with 2a plus n minus 1 multiplied with the bracket closed. This is the general form, and if the last term is known and the first term is known and number of term is known, then we can use this formula also. Okay? So just go through the whole process. There are two formulas. We will use this formula more frequently than this one. Okay? So let us solve one problem based on this formula. The AP is given us, we have to find the sum. Find the sum that is minus 37, minus 33, minus 29 up to 12 terms. So we have to find the sum of this AP up to 12 terms. So first of all, we have to list down what are the informations given in the question. So the first term A is minus 37. The common difference, second term minus first term. So minus 33 minus 37. So it becomes minus 33 plus 37, that is plus 4, and number of term is 12. It is given up to 12 terms. So number of terms equals to 12. Now we have to find the sum. Sn equals to n upon 2, second bracket, 2a plus first bracket n minus 1 multiplied with d. This is the formula. So let us replace the values. N is 12, 12 upon 2. A is minus 37. N is 12 and D is 4. So 12 plus 2, this is 6. This is 2 multiplied by minus 37 is minus 74. This 12 minus 1 is 11. 11 for the 44. So 6 minus 74 plus 44 is minus 30. So minus 180 is the answer. Therefore, the sum of 12 terms of this AP is minus 180. So there is another question. Find the sum of the AP 1 upon 15, 1 upon 12, 1 upon 10 up to 11 terms. So here the first term A is equals to 1 upon 15, D equals to second term minus first term, that is 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. So it will be 60, LCM is 60, 5 minus 4, that is 1 upon 16, and number of terms n equals to 11. So n equals to 11. Okay. So let me put the values. N is 11. 2a means 1 upon 15 plus 11 minus 1. D is 1 upon 60. D is 1 upon 60. So it is 11 upon 2. This will be 2 upon 15 plus 11 minus 1 is 10. 10 upon 60. So this 0 0 will be cancelled. So I am writing 1 upon 6. So 11 upon 2. LCM will be 30. 2 2s are 4. 6 5 1s are 5. 30 plus 6 is 5. 5 1s are 5. So it is 11 upon 2 multiplied with 9 upon 30. So it will be cancelled by 3. So the answer will be 11 3s are 33 upon 20. Or we can write 1 13 upon 20. So this is the answer. Okay. So you understood? Just go through the sum. The AP is given. From the given AP, A is 1 upon 15, D second term minus first term, that is 1 upon 60. Number of terms is 11. It is asked to find the sum of 11 terms. So n is 11. Now this is the formula. Sn equals to n upon 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 multiplied with d. So I have replaced all the values, that is values of n, a and e. So by calculation the answer I have got is 33 upon 20 or 1 whole 13 upon 20. So hope you have understood how to use the formula and how to find the sum. Okay, let me solve another problem. Now see, there is another problem and it is very important. Just quickly go through the question and try to find out what is the difference between the sum which I have solved, two sums I have solved earlier, and this sum. Just find out the difference and why it is important. So you can see that the AP is given where we can find the first term, which is 34. We can also calculate the second term, 32 minus 34, that is minus 2. But we don't have in how many terms is not given in the question. Okay, so that is why it is very important. Now if number of terms is not given, then how can we find the sum? So the answer is very simple. First find n from the given AP. Taking 10 as the nth term, we know the first term, we know the common difference, we know the nth term an. So from there we can easily calculate n and then put the value in the formula to find the sum also. So first of all, let us find how many terms are there in this AP, that is find the value of n. So here the first term is 34, common difference is 32 minus 34, second term minus first term, so it is minus 2. An is equals to 10. Now let us use the formula an equals to, so an equals to a plus n minus 1d. An is 10, a is 34, number of terms is not known, keep it as it is, d is minus 2. So 34 will come to this side, 10 minus 34, n minus 1 multiplied with minus 2, so it is minus 24. This minus 2 will come to the denominator, this will be n minus 1. So by cancelling we have got 12 equals to n minus 1, or we can say n equals to 13. This minus 1 will go to the left hand side, so it will become 12 plus 1, that is 13. Therefore we have got the number of terms also. Now we can find the sum. So we can find the sum in two ways. Either we can use the formula Sn equals to 2a n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. Either we can use this one, or we can use the second formula also, n by 2, a plus l. Now why shall I use this formula? Because the last term, nth term is the last term and it is known. So here we know the value of n, we also know a, and we also know l. So we are going to use this formula. Calculation will be bit easier than this one. So n is 13, a is 34, and L is 10. So 13 multiplied with 44. 34 plus 10 is 44. So it will be cancelled. So it will be 220 and 66, that is 286. Is the answer. So just little bit, this sum is little bit different because here n is not given, and we can easily calculate n using the formula of general term, that is an equals to a plus n minus 1d, where a is given, d is also calculated as minus 2, an is given. So from there we can calculate n and then use this value of n to find the sum. Understood? So hope you have understood the difference between the previous sum and this sum. Okay. Okay, let me solve one more problem. And I am also confident that by now you have understood when to use the first formula and when to use the second formula. Okay. How many terms of the AP 9, 18, 25, 9, 17, 25 dot must be taken to get the sum 636. So the AP is given, the sum is given. We have to find how many terms we have to add. So first of all, the first term, the AP is 9, 17, 25. So first term is 9. Common difference, the second term minus the first term, 17 minus 9, that is 8. And this is the sum. Sum is 636. Therefore, Sn is equals to 636. So what we have to find? How many terms? Means we have to find n. So let me use the formula. Sn equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1d. So in this formula, everything is known except n. So we can easily calculate this. So Sn is 36. N we don't know. 2a is 9 plus n minus 1 is not known. D is 8. So 636, I am taking 2 to the left hand side. So it will be multiplied with 2, n, inside the bracket it will be 18 plus 8 multiplied with n is 18, 8 multiplied with minus 1 is minus 8. So 636 multiplied with 2 equals to n. So 18 minus 8 is 10, 8 10 plus 10, 636 multiplied with 2 equals to, let me take n 2 common from here. So 2n, then it will become 4n plus 5. So these 2 and 2 will be cancelled. So it will be 636 equals to, now this n will be multiplied with the bracket 4n plus 5. So n into 4n is 4n square plus n into 5 is 5n, which implies, so this 4n square plus 5n minus 636. For this quadratic equation, 4n square plus 5n minus 636 equals to 0. By factorization, I have got two factors, 4n plus 53 and n minus 12 equal to 0. So from there, I have got two values of n. So one is minus 53 by 4 and the other value of n is 12. Now we all know number of terms of an AP cannot be a fraction or negative. So here we cannot take this value. So this will be rejected. So neglecting as number of terms of an AP cannot be negative. Therefore, n not equals to minus 53 by 4. It is not possible. Therefore, n equals to 12 is the answer. That is, we have to take 12 terms of this AP and add it to get the sum 636. The answer is 12. Okay, understood? So in this way we can use the knowledge to solve any type of sum based on the formula of finding the sum of n terms of an AP. Hope you have understood. How was the session? I hope you have understood the whole thing which I have explained. So in the next class we will do few more problems, little bit difficult type also, so that you will get enough confidence and then you can solve any problems. Okay. So till now you have to practice some more sums from our textbook and from other sources also, sample papers and other books, and try to make this thing clear so that at any point of time you can solve any problems related to the sum of AP. Okay. So till then, goodbye. We'll meet in the next class. Have a nice day.